Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be cutting down my nails, reshaping them, and designing them. I have been wanting to cut them down for a while. As you can see, they're pretty long. So let's get this video started. I am going to start off by removing all of the gel polish from my nails. That way I will be able to clip them down better. So in the middle of me trying to clip my nails down, my clipper definitely said, girl, I'm out. Like, tell my family I have no regrets. So I had to go to my handy dandy nail clipper. And here I am just filing them with the e-file to be sure that they are all the same length, which this is easier for me. So I'm just going to go through and make sure that they are all the same length, still filing them down. I didn't cut them super short when I started out cutting them because I wanted to be sure that I didn't cut them too short. So I'm just making sure that everything is the same length. I was super excited to cut my nails down. I've been waiting to cut them down. I wanted to do a video for it, but I have been ready to cut them down. They've gotten super long, but I don't know, like I go from long to short. I be in my moods. Maybe it's the season, I don't know. And it's just kind of like a fresh start because they're gonna grow out again. But I don't know, you guys. What do you like? Do you like long nails, short nails? Do you like the super extra long nails? Me personally, if I could still do that, which I can't because I do have a small child, but the super extra long nails, I think they are so cute with all of the designs that you can do on them. But I don't know. Let me know down below. Comment and let me know if you go from season to season. You change it up. You do long, you do short, you do kind of like a medium, or if extra long is your thing. Here I am applying my UV light gloves to help protect my hands while I am in and out of the UV light, which is good for your skin. So if you do your own nails and you have a UV light and you don't have these gloves, get you some, girl. They'll help you in the long run. So now I have applied my base coat, and I am just cleaning my nails up from the base coat before I put them under the lamp, because if not, it could be a little runny. But I wanted to do something for the Christmas season. It's December, and I'm super excited. So throughout the month, I will be doing different nail applications around Christmas time. But here I am just gonna start off by doing a French tip, and I'm gonna be using the small brush that I have, to make sure that my lines are nice and precise. Now for this particular nail, I'm gonna go ahead on and say that the lines are not precise, okay? But in the end, I make it work with the design that I decide to do at the end with this nail. So it all works together in the end. But I know that the lines are not precise. At this point in the video, I'm going to attempt to do a holly on my nail. In the beginning, things don't go as planned. I was gonna go with it, but then start looking like a W. So I take it all off and I start over. And on the second round, everything turned out pretty good. So on the second try, I just go in with each leaf. I do it individually. I use my little UV lamp that I have, my little light on each leaf that I do. So along the way, I just apply the light to each leaf individually and each berry, and it comes out a whole lot better. This is where I start to apply some little berries so that you can't really see the lines aren't as straight as they need to be. So I applied some little berries in between and it worked out. guys, I had a lot of fun recording this video. I was very excited to cut my nails down. When I say I was excited, I was excited. It felt good to just cut them down, for them not to be so long. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.